A containment breach has occurred at Site 19. Please listen to the following information. SCP-2785 has breached containment. Site 19 is to enter lockdown, and Class D personnel are to be relocated to a safe location. Additional staff are arriving to contain 2785. Please assist them in order to prevent an instance of 2785-1. Thank you for your attention.
An emergency alert system activation has been requested by your state government in cooperation with an anonymous organization. A shelter-in-place warning is in effect for all of California until further notice. A chemical spill has occurred at an undisclosed location. The chemical in question is very dangerous, and you are asked to shelter in place for your own safety. Bring necessary items such as food, water, and medical supplies. Do not leave your shelter until an all-clear is given. Do not use the telephone. Telephone lines should be kept open for emergency officials only. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information.
This message has been given authority to be broadcast by the SCP Foundation and the governments of California and Nevada. Please stay calm for the duration of this alert. An immediate evacuation order is in effect for all of California and Nevada. Gather as many belongings as you can and evacuate west immediately. A dangerous anomaly is present in your area. This anomaly is a large, mechanical unit that has a desire to consume metal. This machine has the capability to self-replicate, and it has done so repeatedly. It also releases a mimetic effect, which results in civilians making attempts to jump into the machine. Do not attempt to do this. If you see any of the machines during your evacuation, do not look at them and drive away from them quickly. Underground shelters will be created westward, providing food, water, and protection against the machines. If you need assistance locating a shelter, please consult law enforcement. They will locate one for you. SCP Foundation staff will attempt to neutralize and collect the anomalies as soon as possible. Repeating, a dangerous anomaly is present in your area. Gather important belongings and evacuate westward immediately.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WCXT, DT. We will continue to serve the Northwest Illinois area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. The President of the United States or his representative will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. The following is a transcript from the President of the United States. Please listen carefully.
The following message has been given authority to air on all stations by the U.S. government and the SCP Foundation. This is not a drill. Repeating, this is not a drill. For those of you who are not aware of the SCP Foundation's existence, the SCP Foundation serves to contain dangerous entities and anomalies, to protect the population. At around 11:53 p.m. last night, the SCP Foundation suffered a breach in containment of an entity known as SCP-2785. SCP-2785 is a large, hostile, self-replicating machine. It will destroy everything it feeds. Unfortunately, SCP-2785 can no longer be contained. There are millions of them, therefore you have a major possibility to encounter one. To avoid being a victim of this machine, please listen to the following instructions. Hide yourself in an underground setting, such as a storm cellar or basement. Take necessary supplies to this shelter. Do not make any noise. Doing so will attract them. Do not leave your shelter until an all clear is given. SCP Foundation staff are working with the U.S. military to combat this crisis. Thank you for listening. We will rebuild. We will prosper. God bless America.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WCXT, DT. We will continue to serve the Northwest Illinois area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area.